In many constituencies, representation is discussed in general terms. Effort is mentioned, intentions are highlighted, activities are listed. But one critical question is often missing. What are the actual results? Because in any serious system, performance must be measurable. So the question is, how do we measure effective representation? Not by promises, but by outcomes. First, define clear indicators. Representation must move from vague ideas to specific metrics. For example, how many jobs were facilitated? How many constituents accessed programs? How many projects were attracted? How many community issues were resolved? Because what is defined can be tracked. Second, track progress consistently. Measurement is not a one-time activity. It must be ongoing, monthly, quarterly, annually. Because consistency reveals pattern. It shows what is improving and what is not. Third, use data to evaluate performance. Numbers tell a story. Numbers show where impact is strong, where gaps exist, where adjustments are needed. Because decisions should be informed, not assumed. Fourth, communicate results clearly. People should not guess what has happened. People should not guess what has been achieved. They should know. Through reports, updates, structured communication. Because transparency builds trusts. Fifth, use measurement to improve. The goal of measurement is not just to report success. It is to refine the system, to identify weaknesses, to improve strategy, to increase impact over time. Because the system that learns becomes stronger. Now, imagine a constituency where representation is measurable, not based on perception, but on evidence. Not based on claims, but on results. This is how leadership becomes credible. Because performance is not declared, it is demonstrated. And this is the shift from activity to accountability, from presence to performance. In our next conversation, we will explore a critical contrast. The difference between popularity and performance in politics, and why it matters for real impact. Because visibility alone does not equal results. This is The Representative, exploring ideas that strengthen governance and improve how representation works, one idea at a time.